it's Namo! Guys! Oh my god!
Exactly. Why is he disappearing? Bro, you...
Oh my god. Oh my god, how many Nemos are there? He's multiplying! He's multiplying! Oh no! Stop multiplying, Nemo!
Let's go, bro.
How many Nemos are there?
What's up? Oh, no, why
Nemo, please stop! Wait, everyone touch Nemo. Everybody find Nemo. Find Nemo. Find Nemo. Nemo's playing hide and seek. Everybody find Nemo. He's playing hide and seek with us.
Why are you so scared to fight me? Nemo, I'm taller than you. Come on, bro. Nemo, you're short. Where did Nemo? You're short.
Things about Nemo or he'll multiply.
Here's your message. Leave this lobby, bro. Nobody loves you. Bro, what's happening? Oh, look at
Nemo!
Nemo, let me show you something right now,
No,
buddy.
Nemo, kick Gray. Nemo, kick Gray. Kick Gray, Nemo.
4 times. I'm not scared of you.
Nemo, crash Gray. Crash Gray right now, Gray. Nemo.
Come on, bro, you're wasting. Bro, he's scared to fight me. He keeps disappearing. He's not gonna do nothing. Nah, bro, he's bringing his gang. That's why he's bringing his gang.
Yeah, he's calling everybody. He's calling everybody out.
Watch how many Nemos he's gonna bring. Watch.
Yeah, he's...
Gang.
Yeah, look, one.
What'd I say? What's good, brother? What's good, brother? He's bringing his Bro, Nemo, you short, bro. You short. So are you, bro?
Nemo, you're the
Bro, I have
best.
to look down on you. Bro, you're slow. Bro, I have to look down on him like his father did, bro. If you talk crap, bro, you're gonna get the crash.
Yeah, you're gonna get the crash.
Bro, I've already encountered you several times. Nobody loves you. Do you understand that? But I give them a hug. Right here, this one, he's fake. And he disappeared.
Nemo's bringing his gang. Nemo's bringing his gang.
You're not Nemo. You still Nemo! Hey, stop acting as Nemo.
N-A-M-E.
Bro,
Yeah, look,
you're
Name.
telling me that you're this guy right here? Nemo, you are scared. Oh, Nemo! Fight me, brother! Fight me!
Yo.
Fight me with your big forehead, bro.
Oh, dang. Nah, bro's bringing his gang. Nah, first he attacks Gorilla Tag. First Nemo attacks Gorilla Tag, now Fun Monkey Horror, what the heck?
Bro, you're not scary. In fact, you know what? Everybody report Nemo.